How to use the form blocks in Squarespace. In order to do that, first head over right here to your Squarespace, and then from in there, locate wherein you want to add that form. For example, let's add a form right here into this blank part. Click on this Add Block option, and then from in there, you can search for a form, or you can also find it right here already under the basic widgets. Let's drag and drop it right here into this blank part. As you can see, the form has now been added. On default, we will have in here this. You can click onto this edit icon because we can't see the actual questions for this form. So you can change its design. So onto the design right here, you can change its buttons, the form style, as well as the actual colors that this will have right here. So you can edit the form style right there, as well as the colors that it will have. For this case, you can change between the blend mode and choosing highlights for this. Here it is right here. You can edit this form by clicking onto this edit icon and then changing the actual design and content. Click onto this edit form fields and you can change the name, email, subject, and message. You can delete some parts and add in here some fields. Like for example, you can choose in here from numbers, currencies, file uploads, surveys, as well as a lot more that you can actually utilize into this part. For example, let's also put in here a date, and if you wish to rearrange them, just drag this six dots right there, and then as you can see, it's been rearranged. Now store this into the submission bin, and you will be notified for this part. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.